Ma'am, I'm doing fine, ma'am.
Yeah,
Today
Ravi.
I'm,
Are you ready
to-
for the interview?
yeah, ma'am.
Okay, Ravi. So, Anaplan 1 to 5 topics you are in giving the presentation today, right?
Yes, ma'am. So can I share my
Okay.
screen, ma'am?
Yeah, please share me the screen.
Yeah. Is it visible, ma'am?
Yeah, Ravi, I can see your screen. Go ahead, please.
Yeah.
Walk me through this PPT. Carry
Today
on.
I'm explaining you about Anaplan. In this session, I will explain the following contents: introduction, getting ready to build, time and version, list and modules. For the topics are what is Anaplan, what are the components of Anaplan, what are the basic buildings of Anaplan, what are the features of Anaplan, what are the plans, how to log into Anaplan, how to create a model, what are the timing settings and versions, what are the list and how to create a list, what are the types of list in Anaplan, what is the model and how to create a module, what is the model schema and model map. First of all, what is Anaplan? Anaplan is a cloud-based uh, for business planning. The term Anaplan means analysis and planning. It is also name of a company that created the Anaplan platform. It is used in all the departments like sales, HR, marketing, IT companies, various IT companies, etc. Uh, there are six components of Anaplan. First one is model, second one is user experience, third one is workspace, fourth one is list, and line item. Sixth one is module. Model, this represent business case area. User experience, this component allows all the users to data workspace. This component holds your model list. In addition to time and version, this is also a dimension. Line item. This component holds calculation module. This component is made up of dimension and line items. The basic building blocks of Anaplan. There are three basic buildings of Anaplan: central library, engine, user experience. Central library contains model dimension, uh, time, version, and list are there. Uh, the engine includes inputs, calculation, and output modules. User experience, it is where the user interact with the platform in a real time. Features. It is a cloud-based. It is in-memory processing. It is an app hub. Data integration is also there. Uh, plans. Plans means first of all, plans. Full form of plan is performance, logical, auditable, necessary, sustainable. Use the correct performance. Use the correct structure for formula to organize the hyperblocks. Logical, build the model for formula using. Break the formulas for better experience and understandings. Necessary, don't duplicate expressions. Sustainable, build the model with future in mind. Then there are few there are two types of model building: building flow and design flow. In building flow, the first you have to create the list, then you have to create a module, or you can call it as calculations, then you create UX page. In the design flow, you have to create a UX page first, then module calculations, then after that you have to create a list there. How to log in to Anaplan? I'll show you how to log into Anaplan. First of all, open any browser like Chrome, Google Chrome, then log into your ID and password. So I'm giving my password. This is my password. This is how I log in to my page. Then how to create a model. First of all, open and go to model. You can click here also, and you can click at home also, where you can find out models there. Just click there and click manage model. Click new here and give any name for the model. This is how the model is created. See this. Then what about what is time settings? Time settings are like calendar month, quarter, year. It can be 454 or 544 days. And weeks, it gets into weeks, generals, weeks 13, 13, 14 weeks period. In calendar month or in quarter year, it is by default given there. Week 554, 445, and 544 are the specified pattern of grouping weeks into months. Uh, Weeks and generals specify the number of start date. Uh, Week 13 by 14 weeks period. In 13 period setup, there are 3 quarters with 3 periods and 1 quarter with four. Specify which quarter contains 3 periods and which contains four. What is list? List are the dimensions. These list are dimension like time and version and are used to form rows, columns, and pages in the modules. Model builders are used list to group related items in the model. How to create a list? First of all, you have to open that workspace. Then you have to go to journal list. 1 minute. Journal list. Then create insert. Click insert there and write the list name. For example, product list. You can create it before, after, or start or end to it. Now the product list is created. Yeah, now it is created. This is how it's create. Type of list. There are 5 type of list: flat list, composite list, number list, list of pick, pick list. Flat list. It is a type of list that does not have any parents. Composite level, composite list are organized in the tree form. Parent or child relationship is there. Number list. Number list contains a system generating unique identifier for each list items. List subset. A list subset is list of item from a larger list that certain criterion. Uh, Pick list, a drop list or a pick list is used to allow end users to select from a list defined values when entering data in a module or on a user experience page. What is module? Modules are the multi-dimensional home for data. The data is displayed in the grid form. It is similar sheet, but within an important difference, module can be hold more than two dimensions. Modules work together to make to form a module approach. While building a module, we have to follow the standard approach called DISCO. DISCO means data input system calculation output. In data, there is a data hub, transactional module, source data, designed for entry system, time management, filter, mapping, are etc. There. Calculation group similar calculations structured together into a single module when possible. Outputs. These are reporting modules. These are only used to report a module, any module. How to create a module? To create a module, first you have to go to the workspace, then the module, then insert module there. Write a write any name of module. For example, I write sys 01 system 01 time setting. Right, time settings. Then I have to give a pages also, but there are no pages there. Live 1 minute. I've taken my product list there. Then I have to give any line items there. Define any line items there, like uh, uh, time settings by year and time settings by month. I have given this line item for examples. Yeah. Now the module is created. You can see there the module is created. This that is how the module is created. Then what is switchover? Model builders can combine the actual data with forecast data on a switchover date to create a forecast. What is module schema? It is an outline of your vision for final output you wish to have in Anaplan. Model map. A model map that provides a visualization of entire model. In this conclusion, in this session, I have concluded the following content: introduction, getting ready to build, time and version, list, modules, etc. Thank you so much, Shweta.